Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews. First, are you looking for the top 5 best embroidery machines of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best embroidery machines of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Brother PE900 embroidery machine with WLAN. White is a powerful and user-friendly embroidery solution designed for hobbyists and small business creators alike. With built-in wireless WLAN connectivity, you can easily transfer embroidery designs from your computer or mobile device without the need for USB cables. The machine features a large 3.7-inch color touchscreen display, allowing you to preview, edit, and customize designs with ease. Equipped with 193 built-in embroidery designs, including decorative patterns, fonts, and monograms, the Brother PE900 offers endless creative possibilities. Its 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field provides ample space for detailed projects such as apparel, home decor, and personalized gifts. The automatic needle threader and thread cutter enhance efficiency, while advanced thread tension ensures professional quality results. Designed in a sleek white finish, the Brother PE900 combines style, innovation, and performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their embroidery projects. Number 2. The Poolin EOC06 embroidery machine is the perfect blend of creativity and convenience for beginners and hobbyists alike. Designed with an intuitive 7-inch color touchscreen, this computerized home embroidery machine makes customizing projects easier than ever. The spacious 7.9-inch by 11-inch hoop area allows you to create larger, more detailed designs without constant repositioning, saving time and effort. With 200 built-in embroidery designs, the Poolin EOC06 offers endless inspiration right out of the box. From elegant florals to playful patterns, you can personalize clothing, home decor, gifts, and more with professional quality results. Its user-friendly interface guides you step by step, making it ideal for beginners exploring embroidery for the first time. Whether you're crafting thoughtful handmade gifts or adding a personal touch to everyday items, the Poolin EOC06 delivers precision, reliability, and creative freedom. Compact yet powerful, it's a wonderful addition to any home crafting space and a thoughtful gift for DIY enthusiasts. Number 3. The Smartstitch S1001 upgraded embroidery machine is a powerful, next-generation solution designed for professionals and growing businesses seeking speed, precision, and versatility. Equipped with 10 needles and an impressive maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, this machine delivers fast production without compromising stitch quality. Whether you're creating custom apparel, promotional items, or intricate logo designs, the S1001 ensures smooth, consistent results every time. Its large 9.5-inch by 14.2-inch embroidery area provides ample space for detailed and oversized designs, reducing the need for rehooping and saving valuable production time. The intuitive 7-inch high-definition touchscreen makes navigation simple and efficient, allowing you to easily adjust settings, preview designs, and manage projects with just a few taps. Built with durability and user convenience in mind, the Smartstitch S1001 supports a wide range of fabrics, from delicate materials to heavy garments. Advanced thread management, automatic color changes, and precision stitching technology ensure clean finishes and minimal downtime. Ideal for embroidery shops, startups, and home-based businesses, this upgraded model combines performance, reliability, and modern technology to help elevate your embroidery capabilities. Number 4. The Brother Industries Brother SE700 sewing and embroidery machine is a versatile, all-in-one solution designed for creators who want precision, convenience, and professional quality results at home. Combining advanced sewing and embroidery features in a compact, computerized system, the SE700 makes it easy to bring your creative ideas to life. With 135 built-in embroidery designs and 103 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative and quilting options, this machine offers endless customization possibilities. The generous 4-inch x 4 embroidery hoop area provides ample space for monograms, logos, and detailed patterns. Its intuitive color touchscreen display allows you to preview, edit, resize, and rotate designs with ease before stitching. The built-in wireless LAN connectivity enables seamless design transfers from compatible devices, eliminating the need for USB drives. Automatic needle threading, a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, and adjustable sewing speeds ensure smooth operation for beginners and experienced sewists alike. Whether you're personalizing gifts, crafting home decor, or launching a small embroidery business, the Brother SE700 delivers reliable performance, creative flexibility, and modern convenience in one powerful machine. Number 5. The Janome Memory Craft 1000 Combination Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a versatile and user-friendly solution for creators who want both precision sewing and detailed embroidery in one reliable unit. Designed for hobbyists and home-based designers, this machine offers smooth performance, consistent stitch quality, and easy-to-navigate controls. With a maximum embroidery area of 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, the Memory Craft 1000 provides ample space for monograms, decorative motifs, quilt blocks, and personalized designs. The built-in embroidery patterns and lettering options allow users to customize projects effortlessly, while the clear LCD display ensures simple design selection and editing. Switching between sewing and embroidery modes is quick and convenient, making it ideal for multi-step projects. As a sewing machine, it delivers a variety of utility and decorative stitches suitable for garment construction, home decor, and crafting. Adjustable stitch settings, reliable thread tension, and steady fabric feeding help achieve professional-looking results every time. Whether you're embellishing gifts, personalizing apparel, or expanding your creative skills, the Janome Memory Craft 1000 offers dependable performance and creative flexibility in a compact, efficient design.